flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying? Could you pass the lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep my cool. Nicotine in my veins, flaming up desires. What am I supposed to do? Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo. Put me in a mood. Put me in a mood.
So many of us have heard of the brand Baseus, and I've also reviewed some of their earbuds in the past. Today we're checking out their latest budget earbuds, which is the WM02. I've previously bought the WM01 but never really got to checking it out. So today let's see if the budget earbud here is something that you should consider. So I've personally bought these earbuds for review, and this review will still be based on my honest and unbiased opinion. So these earbuds retails for an extremely budget-friendly price of 65 Malaysia ringgit or about $15 US. So if you're interested in buying them, do check out my links in the description below. So the WM02 is part of their Bowie range of earbuds. It's very cute and is designed very similarly to what we Asians love the most, which is the rice cooker, and I believe Uncle Roger would agree. And the part that stands out the most with this design is the transparent plastic panel at the top. And design-wise, I think it's good, but from a practical standpoint, it's not the best idea since this plastic scratches easily and smudges easily, so it's not going to stay pristine for too long. The case is honestly very basic with a Type-C port at the back here, and at least it has that orange accent, which, you know, means it's like faster charging, I believe, and also an LED at the front here to indicate whether the battery is charging or full. So although the base of the earbuds case is flat, there's no wireless charging on this case because it's really small and tiny, and the lid here is also a simple clamshell lid with a very smooth opening, and there is no hinge to hold it open. So you just open it, grab your earbuds, and that's pretty much it, and if you let go, it does slam shut. So the earbuds here does look like those symmetrical earbuds that we've seen in the past, but in the case of the WM02, they are contoured differently from the left to the right earbud, so you need to put them into the case correctly. So the earbuds looks really nice, especially on the touch sensor that you saw earlier, that it has this gloss transparent finish, and every time you pick it up, there's this light ring that goes around, which is really nice and classy looking. Even if you close it, you can still see it there. So I've tried searching for quite a bit, and I originally cannot find where they indicate the left and right indicator, but actually if you look in here, there's a very subtle R or L indicator that tells you where is the right or left earbud, so that's very hard to find. But as long as you take it out from the case, the right side will be the right side and the left side will be the left side, so that's pretty much it. And on the earbuds itself, you do notice that there's this rubber flap at the side here, one on each side, but it doesn't really have any feature. It's not a button, it doesn't do anything. This earbuds has a touch sensor at the front here, so I'm not too sure what that is, probably for design purposes. So in terms of its battery life, the WM02 is actually really impressive, especially for how small this thing actually is. It comes with a 5-hour battery life with 25 additional hours with the case. Baseus also puts in quick charging here, so 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours of juice, and charging these earbuds from empty to full takes about 1.5 hours. Because of the size of the earbuds, I'm not sure if this is a factor, but these earbuds don't pump out enough volume in my opinion. For me, a comfortable volume level starts only at about 50%, and going all the way to 85% volume, it feels okay and I can still listen to them for long. And only at about 95% is too loud for me, so I don't usually listen to my music so loud. So I think for those who are really looking for loud earbuds, maybe this may not give you the most in terms of volume. So this earbuds is pretty modern but not high-tech, so not sure if that makes sense, but it does come with a Bluetooth 5.3, which again in my opinion this makes it a lot more future-proof, and it only comes supported with SBC audio codec, which is partly the reason why it can squeeze out so much battery life from a small battery. So the earbuds also doesn't come with any water resistant rating, so I wouldn't try to get these earbuds wet in my day-to-day, but getting them a little bit moist here with a little bit of sweat is not going to kill the earbud. And the WM02 also comes with seamless left and right playback, so you can pick out either side of the earbuds from the case and it will work with no problems. And finally, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds. So the app allows you to do very simple things, but at least you're getting app control, right? So at the front page here, you're gonna see the earbuds and its battery percentage, which is very useful, but the color of the earbuds don't coincide with the color that you buy. So it would be nice if they personalize it that way as well. So you're also gonna be able to remap your controls of your earbuds, so you can choose what you're familiar with here. However, there are still no options for volume control, so I think there's really nothing much that you want to remap here, since the original that you see here is pretty complete already. So if you click here, all you see is the missing volume controls, and having that will be nice for the single tap. So on the second page itself, you're going to be able to find your where you left your earbuds. Not exactly sure how they will be useful, since you will still need to be in Bluetooth range for it to work. Your earbuds must be connected to the app, unlike how Apple does their Find My products. So over here, without the earbuds connected to your app through Bluetooth, you're not able to use this feature. And at the last page, there's really nothing much going on here. All you get to do is turn on low latency mode, as well as update the earbuds if there's a new firmware. So that's pretty much all the features you get with the Baseus app. So the sound signature of these earbuds is decent and fits the price point that it's marketed in. You get a decently good sound signature, which reminds me a lot of the original Edifier TWS1, the OG earbuds of this channel, where you get some bass but nothing's too strong. So that is the case for the WM02 as well, and you don't get that bassy sound signature, but just some bass to make your music not sound bad. The vocals here is good, and I have no complaints about them because they still sound forward and not recessed, and it doesn't distort at louder volumes as well, which is a good thing. Highs here is the best frequency of all, and you can hear the brightness and clarity very well at louder volumes, and you can actually hear some depth with these earbuds, which gives you a slightly wider soundstage, but nothing too crazy as well. Ultimately, a very normal but still good sounding sound signature. So this is a test to see if the Baseus Bowie WM02 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from this earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So latency on the WM02 is actually impressively good, especially when you have low latency mode turned on. Baseus rate these earbuds at 60 milliseconds, and for PUBG, you actually don't notice any lag in real time. Watching movies and videos on this is also really good with no lag. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So for the price that you're paying, I think it's a really good buy. And for $15 US, I think it's quite a nice Christmas gift for your loved ones or for someone who doesn't have earbuds before. And I think these are very suitable for ladies because it's cute and gives you a very fuss-free experience. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere. If you haven't subscribed, do consider subscribing. See you in the next video.